What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. So before I get into the video, I'm actually doing a giveaway with Ape Traders. As you can see, they have an average price of 0.145 Ethereum per NFT as of the giveaway started, and you can see right here that we're also giving away $200 in total besides. So here you can see first winner takes one Ape Trader NFT, second and third takes both $100. So the giveaway link is in description, so you can go find that out and join it. So you have a pretty high chance of winning, and we just finished with Funky Santas, so we're gonna keep doing more giveaways in the future, so don't be worried if you didn't win this one or join it. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm talking about vEMPIRE or vEMPIRE, which is a pretty new token or project that has launched around the 1st of September, or basically the start of September. Here you can see that this is their token symbol being VEMP or VEMP, and they have about 29 cents and $5 million in volume with a market cap of 50 million, which is, you know, pretty good. And if we check right here, they have a max supply of 810 million, but that is not accurate. We'll actually go and we'll show you how it works. Although that is their max supply, I will show you later on the video, so keep watching if you want to learn. Here you can see that they're on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and if we go down here, you can see all the different exchanges they've been listed on, like Uniswap, Gate.io, Bitrex, MEXC, and etc. Even PancakeSwap. So if you're trying to buy that, you can go right there. And then let's go head on to their Twitter. This is their Twitter. You can see that they have 45,000 followers, which is pretty crazy. They have their bio being vEMPIRE is the largest decentralized metaverse and gamify investor. We lower the barrier to the entry to make the metaverse more affordable and equitable. So if you scroll down here, you can see that they post very often, and they've been features on like top 10 gamify gainers, like right here. VMP is right there, or VEMP. Now I forgot to mention this, but actually the CEO of Axie Infinity was actually mentioning their project about 4 times. vEMPIRE was mentioned by the CEO of Axie Infinity, so that's pretty cool and impressive. So you can see right here, this is one of the times. There's 3 more times. You can go check that out. It's pretty crazy. And not just that, but if you go right here, you know, Shiba Swap or the Sheep token, if you look right here, they have also they've announced their Twitter 3 times. This is one of their tweets, and you can see that they are kind of like collabed, and it's pretty crazy. So yeah, like Axie Infinity and Shiba Swap announcing and mentioning them a couple of times also is just crucial, because it shows that they're getting noticed by the other big play-to-earn games or big platforms. And yeah, this is basically their Twitter. They get good engagement with their followers and good community. If you go to their main website, now it is work in progress, but it is still pretty decent. If we check their demo or trailer right here, you can see that they go through the cards, the NFT cards, and how playing works. And yeah, that's just like a little trailer for you guys to know what's behind here. And you can see like Yahoo Finance, Forbes, OpenSea, MarketWatch, Benzinga, and Bitcoinist is like their investors or partners. You have their documents where they have their NFT handbook, which is more about their game assets, white paper, 1-pager, which is like an overall view. And then here we can see that you can launch their staking platform, so we're gonna also take a look at that. You have their NFTs, buy VEMP on Gate.io and Swap also. And yeah, that's basically it for their website. There's not much that you can get confused here. It's pretty simple. You know what you're doing. They're gonna add way more in the future. They're working on their game, and it's actually already being tested. If you go right here, this is their white paper, and I just want to show you about their tokenomics. So you'll see that they explain here the initial supply of VMP is going to be 19 million tokens. In 1 to 3 years, VMP will be minted at 20 per block, then reducing to 15, then 10, then 5. And if you look right here, this equates to a total supply of 810 million. Or if you would like to know, just have a simple explanation, if we look right here, they mint per year, they're going to be minting 2.62 million tokens per year. And you can see that the token number in circulation by these years. So the initial supply, 90 million, all the way up to like around year 21 will be 800 million tokens. And then you have the inflation. This is how their inflation will be working from initial supply all the way to year 21. So I like the idea of this. They mint more tokens over the years to give out for the play to earn aspect, not having like, only 100 million tokens. How are you going to survive in the long term for that kind of stuff? Now, I just want to make sure with you guys that I am not a financial advisor, and you should always do your own research. You can check out their white paper for more information. And yeah, so basically this helps pay off the play to earn rewards without, creating deflation or just ruining their token in long-term run. Short-term, those games will last a while. If they have only 100 million or something, they're giving out good play to earn rewards, but they will not last long. And then we check right here. This is their one-pager about the project. Like vEMPIRE is entirely focused on the true decentralization of decentralized autonomous organization. This project is dedicated to fighting back against so-called decentralized projects that have somewhat became centralized. Projects like vEMPIRE are required to ensure that the market continues to remain decentralized as it develops. You have their metaverse right here, their explanation, then you have the NFT and play to earn. So here it says, vEMPIRE has introduced an NFT trading card game to allow its users to battle each other on the platform. These battles will serve the community and allow users with the best strategies to prosper the most from the protocol. And they continue on by saying, owning the corresponding NFTs to the cards in your hand will boost the card's strength, giving those who own the NFTs a small edge in the battle. And this boost will not be enough to make it pay to win, but it will give the players a slight edge. So if you're an actual gamer and you go to games like, just playing the games and they're actually pay to earn, or not pay to earn, pay to win, you wouldn't like those games. Now, if you look at, like, let's say, I don't know, Clash Royale or something, which most people play because it's on mobile, easier to access, you have to, like, sometimes you just go up against players that are very pay to win, and it's, it's unfair to your hand. So they're not doing pay to win in this aspect, and here we can see that. Look out for some hidden content within some of our NFTs. This could lead one of the users to a prize of over 8 million VMP. That is a lot of money, so make sure you're looking out everywhere. You have their project roadmap in Q4 2021. You're going to have their NFT game, which is right now, so that's going to be out soon. You have the top 3 trading card series on OpenSea. Then quarter 2 will be sole functionality with Atlas staking, so Star Atlas if you know that token. And then you have top trading card series on OpenSea. Secondary game will be released by quarter 3. And then you can see the actual token allocation, tokenomics, whatever. Like I said, the tokenomics tokens will be like around 90 million at the start, and the total supply at the end will be 810 million, and their circulating supply is around 171 million right now. If you go down here, we can see the token allocation, where 77% is locked right now, 4.7% is unlocked, 11% is for the pre-sale, 6.6% goes to liquidity. And you might be like, where's the play to earn rewards, or where's the team? Now, like I said, they're gonna unlock more tokens over time, and those will go towards the games and etc. And they should update their token allocation by then. And besides, this is the DAO token. This is like the governance token for the platform or project. And then here you have their partnerships, and they've been featured on these website. And then lastly, we have the staking platform here. So if you look right here, they're obviously still working on it, as they're also working on their game. But as a whole, I've seen nothing but goods here. And if you look right here, you have their announcements, you have the metaverse staking, you have the vEMP stats, like, the market cap, circulating supply, price, total value locked. And if we go to worlds, these are the different like coins you can go stake in. Like right here we have Mana, Sand, Starlink, Axie Infinity, Ethereum, and here you can stake. You can see like the APR in both pools and etc. Then we can go to staking their VMP token. So this is also where you can, if you have their DAO token or their governance token, you can go right here and stake. You will just approve it, and you must have the token. This is not some pair, this is one singular token that you're going to be staking. Once you've done that, you can go in, you know, lock it in there, and you will be earning VMP again back. So it's just like normal staking, how you have it in other places. And they will always be decentralized. Like they said, they don't want to go off and go to like centralized again, like the others. They would go from decentralized to centralized. And you have there also, this is really important, they have a docs team, and if you have a docs team, you know that they are more trusted, and if you can find their LinkedIn, you can learn more about them, learn you know, see their past experience and etc. So this is the first video. I'm actually gonna have a second video on their game and also their game assets, like their NFTs. So make sure to tune in, subscribe, and tell me what do you think about this platform. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, comment for the next video on what game recommend, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.